Making your own salsas at home is much easier than you may think. Making this easy green salsa is totally customizable and comes together in 30 minutes. On a comal, I highly recommend getting a big one because I had to do this in multiple batches. You will char your onion, your serranos and jalapeños, in addition to garlic, cloves, and tomatillos. Tomatillos are the star in green salsa. They have a slight bitterness and tang and zest that I adore. Char until the entire vegetable is pretty dark, but not overly charred, of course. The tomatillos will leak as you char them, but this is totally normal and actually preferred, as this adjusts the taste of the tomatillo to be slightly less bitter. Turn everything on the comal as you go, just to ensure nice and even browning. Once the vegetables are ready, add them all to a high-speed blender, in addition to 1 to 2 cups of water or veggie broth, and blend until totally smooth. For green salsas, if you choose, you can already fry them in the oil from the charring stage, which is the first stage of salsa, or you can then fry the sauce, which I do here, in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. So I charred the vegetables first and then I fried them in oil, but you can really do it multiple ways, whatever's easiest. This is the way my mother has done it for many years. You can also boil your vegetables, which makes this recipe super duper easy, but I love to char them just a little bit because it adds depth to the salsa. Add the juice of 1 lime and half a teaspoon of salt. This is totally optional but highly recommended, in addition to 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Cumin is such a wonderful spice and we often add it to Mexican cooking. And to finish the salsa, you want to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Mix it all in, let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's good to go. This salsa is perfect on your favorite tacos al pastor, any tacos really, or perfect with any chips and salsa that you're going to serve at a party or for yourself. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel where I post every single Friday full recipes and daily shorts on the platform. Have a good one!